Hi, this is Brian Lane for ThomasNet.com. We're here in Las Vegas for fabtech 2012, North America's biggest metal forming, welding, and finishing show. Today is day one. Let's go in, see what people are saying already. All right, we're here with Mark of Mazak. Now, we're in Las Vegas, so I've got to ask you, are you up or down?
I'm pretty neutral.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
doing okay.
That's about how I am. So, now we're at fabtech 2012. What's the coolest thing that you have seen so far?
Well, for us, we're introducing a new fiber laser, and it's a 4 kilowatt, designed to cut thin material and all kinds of exotics.
And what are you guys hoping to get out of the show? Just move a lot of those?
Well, more or less make contact with key customers, let them know about the new technology, and start talking about applications.
And how many times have you been to fabtech?
Oh, I've been many years to fabtech. I couldn't tell you how many.
Well, welcome back. Thanks for talking to us.
No problem.
Hi, I'm here with Bob of Avi. Now, we're in Las Vegas. I gotta ask you, are you up or down?
I'm down.
Down? Okay.
Always down.
All right. So that's, we've got one neutral, one down so far.
Yeah, well, you know, they got to pay for the casino somehow, right?
Right, exactly.
I help.
Now, we're at fabtech. How many times have you been here in the past?
We've been here ever since the inception of fabtech, because we've been in business since 1966.
And they're saying that this is one of the biggest in years. Have you noticed a change?
We certainly have. We're all very excited here to have as many people as possible come through here and actually be not only just looking, but also interested in investing in the future for the companies.
Great. And what are you showing off? That's the key here.
Oh, this is the coolest thing.
Okay.
We have something that's actually, we've been able to tie in a standard everyday iPad and have developed for us an iPad app through iTunes that actually will help program our CNCs from the iPad. It can also be used for diagnostics, and it can be used for training new people on how to roll on a 4-roll plate roll without being in front of the machine and utilizing the machine for training purposes. The iPad with the Avi iRoll app can do that.
Now, I've been hearing a lot about people who are saying that mobile devices are becoming much more common, that a lot of mobile devices are entering the shop floor. Do you think that this kind of technology is really key to remaining competitive?
Oh, absolutely. It's here to stay. And that's one of the things that we realized as a company. We invested in this technology realizing that this is not just for toys and games. It can be used as a true CAD CAM to help customers program and develop processes for the rolling of their plates on a Avi plate roll.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Bob. I'm here with Lloyd Keller of Murata Machinery USA. Now, we're in Vegas, so I got to ask you, are you up or down?
I'm up. Always up.
Nice.
Man, I'm positive. I'm going home with a lot of money in my pocket.
That's what we like to hear. Now, we're standing in front of a big tool here. What can you tell us about this?
Well, I don't know if you're familiar with Murata, but we used to be called Wiedemann, and we were the inventors of the turret press back in 1932. Well, today we offer an electric servo press, which is similar to your wife's sewing machine. When you operate it, it's consuming electricity. When you shut it off, it's not consuming electricity. So it's very economical to operate. This is a turret press. It's 33 tons of punching force with 44 different stations on it. It's a 4x8 table. We also have an optional load-unload on here, which will pick up piece parts directly off the table and unload them to your different devices out here, transfer tables or rollers and whatnot. But this gives you a full cell of automation without a man to be involved as far as unmanned operation, lights out.
Some of that good lights out automation. Now, you said you've been coming here for quite a bit of time, and they're saying that it's one of the bigger shows in recent memory. Have you noticed a change about fabtech this time?
Yes, I think we're seeing a lot more of a qualified clientele here as far as quality people. I mean, folks that are actually buyers and decision makers. And that probably reflects the industry as far as what's going on in our environment right now.
So you're feeling good then?
Yeah, yes, I am feeling great about it. So we have to. You know, it's tough times, and these machines are not inexpensive. So it's a tough sell.
I think you'll do well. You sold us.
Yeah.
Now, well, thank you so much for talking to us.
Got that purchase order?
Have a good show, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. I'm here with Nick Janik of Flow Water Jet. Now, we're in Las Vegas, so I have to ask you, starting off, are you up or are you down?
I'm undecided yet. This is actually my first time here, so I'm a little undecided right now about Las Vegas. So far, I like it.
Okay. Now, what cool things has Flow brought to the show?
Well, actually, right behind you here, we have our Mach 4. It's our closed gantry style. We're running at 94,000 PSI. It's our flagship of all our machines. We really brag on it. We're cutting these little parts we're cutting out on there right now out of some 3/8 aluminum.
Oh, wow.
We can do bevel cutting up to 60 degrees. We're pretty much the baddest in the business. I'm serious.
And so you say that this is your first fabtech, but have you been bringing this out to other shows?
Yes, fabtech, IMTS. I'm actually based in Texas, so Houston, the show's there as well.
Now they're saying that this is one of the bigger fabtechs because people are, investing more in manufacturing. What have you noticed of the show so far?
It's kind of early. It's too soon to tell for me.
Too soon to tell.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Nick from Flow Water Jet. I'm here with Tom Cassesi of Erie's from Erie, Pennsylvania. Now, Tom, we're in Vegas, so I have to ask you: are you up or are you down?
We're up. We're having a great day so far. Yesterday we came in and uneventful, but nice time, nice place we're staying. We're real pleased to be here.
Good. That sounds great. That's what we like to hear. Now, tell me, what has Aries brought to the show today?
What we have here, our main attraction of this particular piece of equipment is our portable recycling system. Basically, it's a system where you could bring the unit right up to the machine tool, clean out the sump with a sump cleaner to get all the chips out, and then you run the coolant through a high-speed centrifuge, through a coalescer, through an ozone unit to kill bacteria, and recycles right back into your sump tank. Basically, you can do all this while the machine is running. You don't have to shut the machine tool down, and look at it as a dialysis unit for your coolant.
And have you been to fabtech before, sir?
We have, yes, several times.
And they're saying that the show is just like IMTS earlier in the year. Show is becoming bigger. A lot more people are coming. A lot more people are buying. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. When I walked in this one today, I said, "Geez, this has an IMTS feel to it." And I just got back from IMTS, so definitely see more people exhibiting, and we're real excited to be here.
You planning any extra days in Vegas?
Just a couple.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Tom.
Thank you, Brian.
Tom Cassesi of Aries, Pennsylvania.
Thanks.
I'm here with Chris Sykes of Controlled Automation Incorporated. Now, Chris, we're in Las Vegas, so I have to ask you, what's your game?
My game is selling plasma machines. We have two models in our booth. We have a dual side drive machine and a single side drive machine, but we're cutting high definition plasma. So.
And what is this this tool behind us?
This is a ProMax machine. It's strictly for entry level fabricator looking to get into plate cutting. We do up to 2-inch plasma capacity with this machine. So if you're looking for a high definition or if you're looking for just a traditional cutting plasma, this is the one for you.
Now, have you been to fabtech in the past?
Yes. I don't know which show this is. This is probably our 7th or 8th show. So.
Well, they're saying that, like with IMTS, they're a lot more crowded, a lot more buyers, a lot more exhibitors. Have you noticed a change like that?
Yeah, and it's Vegas, so everybody's here for that too. So that helps out quite a bit.
You got any extra days planned?
No. My wife wants me back.
I know what you mean. Well, thank you, Chris, for talking to us so much. All right, this has been Brian Lane coming to you from Las Vegas for FabTech 2012. That's what people are saying day one. Come back to thomasnet.com tomorrow for more video coverage.